Hello guys and welcome to our new video on Cvolv Tutorials channel. Today I will show you how to make Google Drive go into dark mode. So let's get right into it. Of course, first of all, I hope that you liked this video. It really means to us. And go to these three lines in the top left corner. Go to settings. And as you can see, the third option is choose theme option. Okay, click on dark one, and yeah, that is it. It is that easy. If you wish to make it as it was, go to settings and just click on light. Or if you want it to change with the system, click on system defaults. It is that easy. All you need to do is follow the selected options. Yeah, that will be all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you're subscribed, and until next one, bye.